Hi everyone, it's Abby, and in today's video we are going to open this Pokemon Mythical Pokemon Collection Meloetta. It comes with a Meloetta full art and a pin of Meloetta, and so I can't really see the top of this. My desk is behind it, it's really ugly, so it comes with, obviously, what I just said, and a Venusaur pack and a Blastoise pack. So let's open this up. So, okay. This is going to be my first Pokemon card opening type thing on this channel, so I am really excited to be opening this. I got this at Target, by the way. I'm really excited because this is going to be my first full art and my first Pokemon pin. So, I do not use the code cards, by the way. Oh my gosh, okay, let's look at this first. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Don't really think there's anything special on the back. It's a little bent, so it makes me a little sad. But it's okay. So gorgeous. I love holographic cards. There's that. And the pin, which is super cute. And it just has Pokeballs on the back and a little black thing to like protect it. And then here is the code card. I'm not going to use this. Oops. So let's just get the packs out. So as I said, it comes with Venusaur and Blastoise. So let's open Blastoise first. Oh no. I'm so bad at opening packs. Okay. Okay. There we go. Please. There. Okay. 3 cards. Okay. So we have Esper, Machoke, Clefable, Zubat, Magmar, Fighting Energy, Doduo, ooh, Reverse Revoltizer, I don't know how to pronounce that, and oh my gosh! Oh my, I wanted this card so bad. Oh my gosh, yes, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. And a Snorlax as a rare. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, so put those over in our, okay, oh my gosh. Ooh. Put the Flareon over with the good cards. And our last pack, which is kind of sad. I wanted to open more, but I didn't really have much time or money to pick up more stuff, so okay, there. Why is this ripping to shreds? They're all like coming apart like in shreds. Okay. Okay. Ooh, Chikorita! Chikorita is my favorite Pokemon. Okay. Chikorita. Team Flare Grunt. Machoke. Ghastly. Psychic Energy. Krabby. Geodude, ooh, a Reverse Leaf Energy, and Wally and the Radiant Collection, oh, and Pinsir as a rare. So those are all the cards I got for this video. I know it was a very, very short video, but it was all I really could put together because I didn't really have enough time, obviously, or as I said. So, and the good cards, we got like this Flareon EX. So that's awesome, and then the promo card Meloetta itself. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!